Hello traders and welcome to the Daily Forex setup for April 16th, 2019. We're looking at the AUDCAD here today and we're looking on a daily time frame just to show you the structure. You can see that we had some support resistance through here and we've recently broken above this resistance, and I'm looking for it to come back and retest this area at as support and maybe get a trade a little bit ahead of that area of support. So let's go ahead and take a look at a lower time frame here. Bring it in here just a little bit. There we go. So on the lower time frame, again, you can see the resistance that we're up against. It broke above it, and we're looking for it to come right back down. So had a nice orderly move to the upside here at this point. Looking for it to possibly retest this 95.59 area. One thing I want to go ahead and point out here as well, though, if you looked at this move up, you can see very orderly. You can see a 50% retracement here. You can also see another 50% retracements here, and on this one here as well, you can see about a little bit below that, about a 61.8% retracement. So the pullbacks are getting a little bit deeper, but this one extended pretty nicely above previous resistance, and it does have some room towards the upside. So again, looking for it to pull back. Let's go down to a lower time frame here, and oh, sorry about that. Reset this here. So looking for this to come back and at least retest this area between the 50 and the 61.8%. Have a couple highs through here, some highs through here as well. We may not retest this 95.59 area per se, but I'm looking for it to come back right into this 50 to 61.8% area for a possible trade, especially to the upside. So we're going to be looking here at the long side of the market. Let's go ahead and take a look at the risk reward here. Let's go ahead and bring this back. Let's go back to the higher time frame so you can see where our target is looking to be here. So let's go ahead and take a look. We're looking for a long right around 95.68. I'm going to put the stop just below the support area here, and we're going to go ahead and target at least a 2-to-1 risk reward. That puts us just above the market's here previous high. Now, again, we are looking at an entry at 95, right around 95.68. Remember, we're looking between a 50 and a 61.8% retracement. That coincides here with a couple areas of resistance and resistance here, and you can't see it through because of the level here, but a couple other areas, highs here through here as well. This corrective move to the downside. So, again, right around 95.68 to probably around 95.64 or so. So within those 4 pips. Stop at 95.51, targeting 96.04, which would put us right above the previous high here. So that's certainly, if this starts to move towards the upside after this correction, certainly a high probability target. So hopefully get that pullback here, a little bit ahead of it, ahead of the curve here. Hopefully we can get that pullback. We're a good ways away from it here at this point, but hopefully we can get that kind of deep pullback, get that entry here, and take it towards the long side. Now, with that said, going out to a higher time frame here, you can see that we do have some room here to run, even into this 96.30 area. So if we get if we get that correction, and we are long, which is going to be kind of hopeful, maybe even optimistic. But if we do get a good run here, we could certainly start targeting 96.30 area as the next area of resistance. If we get some good momentum, that's certainly a likely target here. As you can see, there's a little bit of air, a little bit of room between those highs. So that's our daily Forex setup for April 16th, 2019. Good hunting out there, and happy trading.